Here's the truth nobody wants to tell you. The fastest way to win more real estate clients isn't talking about houses. It's talking about your community. Most agents think their job is just posting listings, market updates, or open house tours. And while those things matter, they're not what makes people actually choose you. What really wins clients is showing them that you're not just a realtor, you're the local expert, the guide, the person who knows these communities better than anyone else. When someone's thinking about moving into a new city or even just across town, it's not just what's the square footage or how much is the mortgage going to be, it's what's it actually like to live here. Imagine you're showcasing the best brunch spots in town, giving a tour of the local farmers market, or highlighting a neighborhood park that families love. You're painting a picture of lifestyle, not just listings. And here's the magic. When people see you doing this, they automatically see you as someone they trust. They see you as someone who gets it, not just the housing market, but the heartbeat of the community. Let me break it down even further. When you create these types of videos, you're doing 3 things. 1, you're building trust. People feel like they already know you before they met you, and they see you showing up authentically in your community. 2, you're building authority. You're no longer just another agent, you're the neighborhood expert. 3, you're building connection. Clients don't hire the agent who knows the most stats, they hire the agent they feel the most connected to. The faceless agent who only posts charts and graphs, or the agent who made them fall in love with the idea of living in this community. Bottom line, stop blending in with the noise and start showing off your community, your people, your local flavor, because the more you highlight the life behind the listings, the more clients will want you to be the one guiding them home.